Hey everyone, so I'm approaching 2,000 subscribers and 1 million total views, and I kind of just want to give a thank you to everyone that watches my channel or subscribes. So what I want to do is have you guys email me a picture of your tractor, and if you have a YouTube channel with content, send me your YouTube channel name and location of where you farm or whatever you do with your tractor, whether it's just stuff around the property or whatever, and I'll put a video together with everybody's pictures and stuff and give people's YouTube channels some publicity. So the email will be in the description below along at the end of this video, and if you want to take your picture and do whatever with it as far as put your YouTube channel name on it, you can do that also. If you don't feel like doing that, just send it to me in the email and I'll do it for you. So just a little thank you, and I think it'll be a cool little video to put out and see what kind of machinery you guys operate, and just give everybody a thank you and some publicity for your channel. Yeah, so thanks for watching, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and everyone have a good day. Thanks. Alright, so here's the wheat. It's drying down pretty nice. There's a little bit of green left in it. Those weeds, I'm not sure if that's grass, and that's why they didn't die with the 2,4-D, because it looks like grass. I don't see really too many broadleafs. There's a couple right here, one right there in the middle, but you can see out across there. The green areas are usually like the wet areas. Hopefully I can take care of that this fall. So you can see the plant still has some green. It needs to dry down a little bit more, but it's going to be ready pretty soon. I believe this green is it's all grass, so that's why the 2,4-D didn't hurt it, and it wasn't planted thick enough, I guess. It got through the wheat, didn't choke it out. This was a wet area, so it didn't grow so good there. Out across this field, and then from there's a wet spot down to the other side, and the back field all looks like this. So we'll be harvesting here pretty soon.